If you've recently seen cartperk.com promising a $700 Costco gift card for completing a few simple steps, it definitely grabs attention and sounds like an easy win, especially at a time when everyone is looking to save money on bulk shopping. The site claims that users only need to follow a short process to qualify, but after checking it carefully, several concerns start to appear that are worth considering before spending time or sharing personal information. First, the domain itself was registered in January 2026, which makes it extremely new and raises questions about credibility and long-term reliability. During the process, the site redirects visitors to a completely different external webpage, which is a common tactic used by promotional funnels rather than official reward programs. Another important detail is that there is no confirmation anywhere on Costco's official website about a $700 gift card promotion connected to this platform, which is unusual for a major brand campaign. Transparency is also limited, as the website does not provide clear contact details. There is no listed phone number, no verified business email, and no live chat support for assistance. Additionally, there are currently no verified reviews on Trustpilot, making it difficult to confirm real user experiences. Offers like these can sometimes be tied to survey funnels, affiliate promotions, or data collection campaigns rather than guaranteed rewards. While the promise may sound appealing, it's wise to approach such offers carefully. Avoid sharing sensitive personal details and verify promotions directly through official brand channels before proceeding.